Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel The Designer Khichdi. We are here to help you with a lot of designing tips and tricks, and our today's topic is text formatting in PowerPoint, how you can make your text look beautiful. So let's start with it. Here I have some text in my slide and I will tell you how you can make it look better or give it a visual appeal, as they say. For that, you need to click on the new slide and probably take a blank slide. After taking a blank slide, you have to right click on that blank slide and go to format background. Once you go to format background, you see an option called gradient fill, and I filled my slide with a gradient of any color that you like or that attracts you or is related to whatever content you are trying to put. So for example, I take blue and dark blue. You can either make the gradient linear, or there are a lot of options for gradients. I prefer the radial one because it gets evenly distributed to all the corners and gives a nice background to my slide. The next step for making it look better or attractive is just add something on the top to differentiate the heading from the text. I take this box here, I click on shape fill and click on the white color and I remove the outline. Then I go to rotate and I flip this box and align it to the top of the slide. I stretch it as much as I want, as bigger my heading text is, and I make it a little shorter. Then there is a yellow dot with which you can adjust the corners of the box like this. So I will give it a curvy look. Then I will add some shape effect, that is, I would like to add some shadow to it to make the heading differentiate from the text. Now in my dummy text I have 4 headings with 4 inner content to it. I will need an infographic which contains 4 parts, 4 different parts. So how do we create that? For that, again you go to shapes here. Either you can take shapes from here or you can go to insert and you can insert a shape. I take this last shape called the rectangle with diagonal rounded corners and I click on it. Then I create 4 rectangles. One shortcut here guys is, if I want to copy one rectangle, I will just hold Ctrl plus Shift and I copy this, drag this rectangle here, so I get another rectangle. Now I need 2 more, so there is one more shortcut. If you click on F4, it will create more boxes for you with equally distributed space. Makes your work easier and lighter in less time. Now I would like to fill these boxes with a yellow color and again remove the outline. And now what do? Is I select all these boxes and then I would like to copy them and give these yellow boxes, a white color. Then I put these white boxes back to their position. Each box now will open up a node or a yellow color point which I can drag like this. So same we do to all the 5 boxes, all the 4 boxes. Now I have a better looking thing on my slide, something called as an infographic which I have created myself. Now I select all the 5 boxes and I give them an inner shadow like this. So this looks much better now. Now the next part that we have to do is place the content. So now I go back to my content slide and I pick up this heading and I copy it. You can copy it like this, or you can do with it the shortcut, that is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C is for copy, Ctrl V is for paste. So I Ctrl V the text here. That means I paste the text here. Now for aligning the text, what I need to do is either I will drag it, and you can see these red lines, which are the guides which help you a lot in your presentations. Now I give this heading a blue color possibly, and then I can mold this heading by increasing the font size, and there are many other things you can do to the heading. I can give spaces between words, that is the characters. I can change it all to uppercase. Then I hold the box and the text, and then I go to shape format and align it to the center. Right, we have fixed our heading. Now it's time for the content. So I have a dummy content here. You can take your content. I select all the content, I Control C it, that is copy it, and then paste it here. Now I reduce the font size from this button, that is decrease font size, or the shortcut, that is Control Shift and the less than sign. Now our font fits perfectly in these boxes. I take the headings and I drag it to the top. I increase the font size. We can increase the font size of the headings so that they can look like headings. Now I want to make headings yellow maybe, so that they match our infographic. A darker yellow so that we don't lose the text visibility. Now I align my text to these boxes. Align left, center. Same goes with this. Align left, align center. Now one more shortcut here is I have aligned the first box, and now what I will do is I will align the last box. I hold these two and then I align it to the center. Then I hold these two and then I align it to the center. Now what I can do is I can hold all the four text boxes, content boxes, or you can say, and then go to shape format and then align them and distribute them horizontally. Now they are all at the same position. Same way you can drag and select all the headings, go to shape format and align and distribute horizontally. Now all your headings are also on the same side of your infographic, evenly and equally distributed. You can either group it or ungroup it. Here you have your slide. This is what we got, a presentable and a better looking slide. You can add more visuals to it, more colors, more icons, and there is a lot more that you are going to learn in the coming sessions. So here is our source slide, and here is the final look of the slide. I guess this looks more presentable, right? Please show us any feedback or any comment or suggestions that you guys have in the comment box, and I hope you guys enjoy learning with us. Thank you.